The state of video in the marketplace, I think there's a divide between right now TV replacement or supplement, I should say, moving GRPs online and measuring that, and then getting to really performance measurement that digital affords you, unlike a lot of current television. The companies that are moving most aggressively right now are brand marketers, but the video that they're running is very performance-based, whether they're measuring the performance or not. It's ID level, it's promotional, and but they're staying with GRPs. They're not looking at the measurement of efficiency and performance that in many ways the creative affords them. Liquidity of video, that's going to change over time, no doubt about it. I think that we need to make sure that all the different publishers that are running video and the main supply houses can take different creative, modified creative, make sure that the brand message fits with the publisher. And unlike display or other medium, in many ways the publisher is dictating what you can do with the video. And we need to adjust to that until such time as the video inventory grows.
Right. And I mean, what are some of the challenges? I mean, viewability is a big issue right now with us as an industry. How are you? What's your perspective as a company on that?
Well, viewability is important. We've working with the IAS, which is becoming the standard with the IAB, and we're looking to get our viewability in the 80s, 90%. That said, at the end of the day, it's all about performance. And it's all about measurement. And if the media isn't performing, then that's the most important thing. The IAS, I mean, we're deploying it in a fashion very similar to other folks.
Yep.
We're looking to run 100% viewability very, very quickly. And we're measuring that internally as well through our own mechanism.
You guys have a lot of automotive, a lot of retail customers. How are you working with, how does the sort of the video inventory fit into their current media mix modeling and their attribution modeling? How's that all come together?
There's two different types really about video media mix and attribution modeling. The attribution modeling, it's fitting into simply last in, fractional, etc., into the main attribution vendors out there. The other part of fitting into the media mix models is where, for the most part, we're dealing with CRM clients that are associating to known buyers and known prospects who received a video. And from there, they can provide a media mix at an ID level. And that's, I think, really where the future is going to be in tracking multi-channel sales through that mechanism.
And that's where the greatest ROI is, I'm assuming, as well.
Well, I wouldn't assume it was the greatest ROI, but I would say that it's the best measured ROI. It's the most accurate ROI. From a product perspective, I'm most excited about making our core technology better, improving our core technology efficiency, improving the lifts and the measurement that we can get out of our core technology, which includes not only the personalized creative, but the identification of individuals, the identification of publishers, and making all those things work in concert.
Okay, and can you just talk a little bit about the program tonight, like who's going to be here, who are some of the brands that are speaking?
Right. We've got three interesting people from sort of three sides of the equation here. We have one person who's representing a major auto brand and needs to figure out whether they are moving units on the ground, which is a very difficult thing given the structure of the auto industry and the data mix. We have another person from Nielsen who is still using the panels, measuring GRP. And then we have a third person who's actually doing those media mix models at CRM level. So we have very different takes on how to measure the effectiveness of video.